Marsha here. I hope you are doing well. If you're visiting my channel here for the very first time, I'm a Sri Lankan beauty blogger who create content on makeup and skincare. I know I've been MIA for the past few weeks because I was kind of busy with work, but anyways, I'm here with a super exciting video for you guys. This is going to be a really exciting video for sure because I haven't done something like this in my channel before. I always stick to makeup and skincare, but today I'm going to do a hairstyle video. I'm going to come up with my top 3 everyday go-to hairstyles. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. And also, if you guys are wondering, I'm wearing the ginger lipstick, matte lipstick from Kandi Cosmetics. And about my hair, I've just had a bath, I've just dried it up, I've shampooed, conditioned my hair, and also I just ironed it here and there because I wanted to get rid of my curls. My curls are really messy, guys. So yeah, nothing else is on my hair. It's just shampoo, conditioner, that's it. So this is the first hairstyle, and this is called the twisted braid. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll be parting my hair from the middle using a tail comb, and I'm going to keep one section of hair away for the moment, and I'll be combing the other section properly to make sure there are no knots. And then I'll be taking a section of hair just like this from the very front, and I'll be dividing that very section into 2 equal parts just like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll be twisting the 2 sections of hair that I just took outwards, and each time I twist I'm going to add more hair to the bottom section, if that makes any sense. So you can repeat this same process until the desired stopping point and secure it with a bobby pin or maybe some hair clips. So I'll be twisting my hair until the back of the ear just like this. After I do so, I'm going to secure the braid with teeny hair clips like this. You can use bobby pins as well if you want. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some hair from the top of the braid just to give it more volume and puffiness, so it's going to be really cute and beautiful. Now I'm going to do the same thing real quick to the other side of my hair. And we are done here. It's such a cute and a really easy hairstyle to do. You can adjust the braids the way you want to, and I'm going to show you a closer look so you can get a better idea. Moving on to hairstyle number 2, and this is called the double flipped ponytail. So what are we going to do here is I'm going to take a generous amount of hair from the top, and I'm going to secure it with an elastic band into a half ponytail just like this. I don't have a clear elastic at the moment, so I'm going to use this. And make sure you divide the hair neatly, because otherwise when you flip the hair over it's going to be a mess. So once you get your half ponytail, I'm gonna make a hole right above the elastic band just like this. So once you do it, you need to flip the hair over through the hole like so. So once you flip your hair over, you'll be getting something like this, kind of a twisted half ponytail. And I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to twist the ponytail again over the hole that I just created earlier. So if you have short hair, you can leave it like this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wool band and I'm going to secure everything together into a one ponytail from the bottom. Make sure to cover your elastic with your wool band when you're securing the hair into a ponytail, and also you need to take all the hairs from the back, including the baby hairs. Here I'm missing out some hair strands from the back, but make sure you won't do so. And yeah, that's the end of it. That's my second hairstyle. I hope you all loved it. It's such a fun, easy and a quick hairstyle to do. And here we are with the final hairstyle, and this is called the side twisted ponytail. So what are we going to do here is I'm going to take a small section of hair from the very top and I'm going to secure it with a hair clip just for the moment. And now I'm going to take the rest of my hair and I'm going to create a tight ponytail in the center with a wool band. And here again I'm missing out some hair strands from the side, guys. Make sure you won't do so. So once you get your ponytail tight and nice, I'm going to take the hair section that I left on the top earlier and I'm going to twist it nicely from the top to bottom. Make sure you don't twist it too tight or too loose. Likewise, just twist it slowly until you reach the end. You need to get the hair section that you left on the top to a side when you're twisting it, and once you finish it off, you need to wrap the twisted hair section around the wool band like so. Make sure to cover your wool band while doing so, and once you finish it off, you need to secure the braid with a bobby pin and some hair clips. And we are done. I hope you loved this as well. I wear this mostly to work. If I want to get rid of my everyday boring ponytail, I wear this. It's very practical. It doesn't take much time to do this in the morning before I go to work. So yeah, I hope you loved it. So guys, that's basically it. I hope you loved the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and show me some love. So these are a few of my favorite go to hairstyles. These are super easy and it doesn't take much time as well. So if you want me to do more videos like this, maybe updos, slow buns, or maybe braided hairstyles, just let me know in the comment section below, or just DM me in my Instagram account. So yeah, I'm hoping to see you guys in a week with another exciting video. Until then, have a great week and bye.